jerk chicken, Jamaican style. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much for watching, and stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We have some chicken legs, we're gonna jerk them. All right, nice Jamaican jerk chicken. But as for my jerk chicken, I made my own jerk chicken seasons right here. Down in the description box below, I will put up everything there that I use to make this. All right. Yeah. So this is just quick and simple season up your chicken. But here we go in with our jerk sauce. And like I said, I make this jerk sauce from scratch. And everything will be going onto my chicken right here. So now we're going to rub up everything. So you want to rub up your chicken. Rub all that jerk season on the chicken. Like me say, a homemade jerk sauce we deal with. Down in the description box below, like I said, my people, everything is going to be right in there. Look at that chicken. Yes, zoom in on the chicken. Yes, look at that. See it there, my people. Real Jamaican goodness. It smells nice. I see I can smell all that pepper, you know. All of that. Now this is it. This is going to be wrapped up right now. And I'm going to soak for about 30 minutes or to an hour. You can leave him for overnight too if you want. If you put him in the oven, I'm going to show you. So we'll soon come back, alright? So here we have it, everyone. So this is it. Alright now, everyone. This is what we have. Jerk chicken. So now the chicken leg jerk on one side. And now we're going to turn him over on the other side and let the other side jerk properly like this one. Okay? So stay tuned, people. Don't go anywhere. This is what we have. See it there? Nice jerk chicken. This. See it? Yes. No bake, no we know. Jerk. Yes, me people. Look good, taste good. Everything about this chicken good. Jerk in a Jamaican style. Excuse the frying sound, my people. Me I fry some chicken also. And make him jerk on the other side. Alright? Look good, smell good, taste good. Everything about this chicken is good because it's done in a Jamaican style, everyone. Alright? Jerk chicken. Soon come back again. Everyone, this is it. See? This is what I have today, my people. Jamaican jerk chicken. Yes, my people. This is the end result of my jerk chicken. As you can see, it's right here. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so very much for watching. Like, comment, share. Yes, everybody, this is it. This is what we have. Jamaican jerk chicken.